Amphenol's Mini AMT is a multi-port terminal connectivity solution for applications where a minimal space impact is a core priority. The Mini AMT offers a wide range of port options and connector style, empowering flexibility and customization depending on how many outputs you need. The solution's housing accommodates both FBT and PLC splitters for network and application versatility. When designing a distributed split architecture, the Mini AMT is a small form factor solution for applications requiring 1x4, 1x8, and 1x12 PLC splitters. Additionally, it is manufactured with a robust plastic design that arrives factory sealed and tested to the GR771 core requirement, including IP67 and 68 ingress protection. The Mini AMT features an installation temperature range of -18 to 40 degrees Celsius and an operating temperature range of -40 to 75 degrees Celsius. The wall mount is accomplished via holes in the housing of the solution, while the pole mount leverages a banding strap or hose clamp brackets that will accommodate a half-inch strap. It can also be pedestal mounted for ground applications. Finally, the aerial application allows the Mini AMT to be mounted to industry-standard hanging or offset brackets. Amphenol is committed to creating end-to-end solutions that meet the needs of modern communication networks. And the Mini AMT helps us make that vision a reality. To learn more, contact us today.